Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate new sticker using the AI sticker tool in CapCut Mobile. So here, just add your video and then add two stickers. And at the top right here, you can see there is a AI feature that you can use. So by using this AI sticker tool, you can create splendid images with simple prompts. So for example, here I'm going to write idea, then just click on generate, and CapCut will try to generate the prompt into image or stickers. So there will be four options like this, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. Okay, I'm going to try use right. I think the idea is not the results are not good, so let's try write another one. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to use this one. Click on the stickers, then after that click on add. So now the stickers will be added and you can place it anywhere in your video. If you want to, you can also add animations for the stickers. Okay, so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.